In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add video on Wix website 2026. We're working inside the Wix editor, and the process is quick once you know where everything lives. Start by opening the Add Elements panel. Look for the plus icon along the left side of the editor and click it. This panel is where you'll find all the building blocks for your site. From there, choose Video and Music. That section gathers every media tool you might need, and it's the fastest route to adding a clean, professional video player to your page. Next, select Single Video Players. These are ready-made players designed for one video at a time. Pick the style that fits your site's look. Then simply drag and drop the player onto your page. Place it where you want it to appear. You can align it with your grid or section guides, and resize it by dragging the corner handles so it fits naturally with your layout. With the player selected on your canvas, click Change Video. This opens the media options so you can choose what the player should show. Think of this as the control center for your video source. You can link a video from popular platforms. Choose the option for external sources, then paste a link from YouTube, Vimeo, Facebook, Dailymotion, or Twitch. Be sure to copy the full video URL, not an embed code. Using links is great when you want platform analytics or when your video is already hosted elsewhere. If your site emphasizes performance, this approach helps keep your Wix media library lean. Prefer to upload a file instead? Choose to select a video from your computer. Wix accepts common formats like MP4, which is a safe, widely supported choice. Keep your file size reasonable for faster loading and smoother playback. After picking your file, it will upload to your site's media manager. When you've chosen your video, either by pasting the link or uploading, click Change Video to confirm and apply it to the player on your page. If it doesn't update right away, wait a moment while Wix processes the file. There's also a quick drag and drop option for uploads. Open your computer's file folder, then drag the video directly into the upload area that appears in Wix. Once the upload finishes, select that file and use Change Video to set it in the player. That's all there is to it. Add the player, choose your source, and confirm. For best results, keep videos short, clear, and optimized for web. And if you ever switch platforms or files, just return to Change Video and update the source the same way.